everybody, it's Mark, the Family Woodworker. We've got a great group of low-cost, quirky, but really cool tool ideas for Dad this Father's Day. Rather than talk about some obvious choices like tape measures, hammers, and screwdrivers, we're going to focus on tools that are really handy in the wood shop, but that Dad or Mom wouldn't necessarily think of buying for themselves. And that makes these cool tool gifts. Stick around.
Number 1. Bench cookies.
Well, sadly, we're not talking about those kinds of cookies, although they look pretty good. We're talking about bench cookies. And you can get a set of 4 of these from rockler.com for about $10. And we'll include links for all of the tools in the video description. But they're about an inch thick. They've got neoprene rubber on both sides and make a great little elevated platform for you to do painting or staining of projects and get right to the edges as well. And if you pick up 1 or more sets of these, the neoprene rubber actually provides a sticky surface to hold wood stock in place while you're using things like a sander without having to clamp the material down. They're great additions to the shop. What? I can't eat a cookie?
Number 2. Tri-square.
This is a handy little pocket size and attractive square. It comes complete with brass accents, some nice hardwood trim, and of course blue steel, and calibrated at exactly 90 degrees. So if you're trying to check out lumber that you just brought home from the lumber yard to find out if it's square or not, this is a great little tool to have in your pocket. Of course, it'll help you draw straight lines on 90-degree wood stock as well, up to 4 inches. A cool little tool for around $30 you can find online.
Number 3. Spoke shave.
Now, most people don't think about buying themselves this tool, so it makes a great gift. And if you've got a lot of wood projects around the house, or you're dealing with lumber that has sharp edges and you'd like to ease those edges, the spoke shave is the perfect tool for that purpose. It takes little ribbons of wood off the edges until you get a little bit like a 45-degree angle on the edge of the board, and it makes it nice and smooth. It's a great addition to the wood shop.
Number 4. Long ruler.
Now, this isn't quite so much a shocking gift idea, but most people that I know of only have a 36-inch yardstick in the wood shop. And when you're dealing with longer wood stock, like any 4x8 panel, you need something that'll get across the entire panel. So a 48-inch steel ruler is a great addition, and it provides a great straight edge for cutting as well. These are about $10. And if you combine that ruler with a long clamp, it allows you to draw a nice gradual arc for other woodworking projects.
Number 5. 1, 2, 3 blocks.
And so these got their name because they're 1 inch by 2 inches by 3 inches in dimension. And they're heavy, precision milled steel that was originally used in a lot of steel millwork, but they make great additions to the wood shop as well. You bolt a couple of these together and it forms a perfect 90-degree angle for a hold fast for certain projects. But because they're also perfectly cut at 90 degrees, you can check to make sure your saws, your band saws, your drill press are all calibrated appropriately before you start to work. They're great additions to the shop. I even use them to build little jigs here to help me with my branding iron. And you can find 101 different uses for this particular tool.
Number 6. Shop apron.
Now, a little less obvious is the amazing shop apron, and you can get these anywhere from $15 up to $50 or more. But the idea is just to protect your clothing, provide some pockets for tape measures, pencils, and even the tri-square here for a nice straight line. But maybe one of the biggest benefits when you use this for construction is if you don't have a rag handy, it's a place to wipe the glue, or paint, or grease.
Number 7. Flush cut saw.
Now, whenever you're trying to hide the head of a screw in a furniture repair, you'd like to put the screw inset a little bit with a trim dowel on top, but it's always difficult to cut the dowel off flush without ruining the surface. And this Japanese flush cutting saw, very flexible, but it won't damage the top of anything that you're using to cut against. And so it makes a beautifully clean cut on this dowel, almost to the point where you don't have to sand it. In fact, I did another one just to show you how it would work with oak. And after getting this oak dowel inset and cutting it off flush, you can barely see that the dowel is there and didn't require any sanding at all.
Number 8, Angle Finder.
Now this digital angle finder I wind up using a ton in my shop, especially when I'm trying to cut a true 45-degree cut on my table saw. If you add the 45 to the 90, I'll make sure that that is set at 135 before I start to cut any lumber. It also provides an easy method to match the cut angle from any piece of lumber and then to lock it down. In fact, I used it on a rocking chair build, and I needed to match the angle between the armrest and the back of the chair, and this was a great way to give you an exact measurement. And then when you lock it down, I can also trace that angle on another piece of wood.
Number 9, Shop Gloves.
Another not so obvious choice is a good pair of leather shop gloves, because the edges of this lumber are ridiculously sharp, especially on live edge slabs like this, or even the rough cut lumber that you'll get from the lumber yard. You know, don't be a blood donor and use those cheap cotton gloves. These heavy leather gloves from Wells Lamont do a great job and protect your hands. They're about $10.
Number 10, Japanese Chisels.
Finally, a little more expensive is this beautiful set of Japanese wood chisels. And they come with a metal ring so that you can use a hammer. They're nice and sharp, although you will have to sharpen them a little bit. They really do a great job with precision trim work, like you're seeing here on this piece of white oak. Now this is the most expensive gift set out of everything we featured in the video at about $47. And you can get this from Amazon.com, and a link will be in the description of the video. But for cleanup work, cleaning out glue on the inside edges of glued material, this chisel set is great. All in all, a great group of gift ideas, especially for the woodworker in your family. These are things they wouldn't think of buying for themselves, but man, are they sure handy in the wood shop. From $10 to $47, check out the links in the video, and thanks for joining us.